Number 5. Will's Coup Alcohol Infusion Kit. Creativity in every pour. For the man who appreciates craft cocktails or unique spirits, this kit transforms him from consumer to creator. Endless flavor possibilities. This innovative set includes 12 natural, non-GMO infusion materials, 2 crystal bottles, 3 stainless steel ice cubes, funnel and strainer. He can infuse whiskey, gin, vodka, tequila, or rum with combinations unavailable in any store. Why he should use it. Beyond creating impressive drinks for guests, this kit offers the satisfaction of crafting something uniquely his. The included recipe instructions guide beginners, while experienced mixologists can experiment freely. These gifts for men birthday celebrations encourage exploration and creativity. The dishwasher-safe components and elegant packaging make it both practical and giftable for anniversaries, holidays, or special occasions. Number 4. St. Roy Spa Kit. Luxury self-care he actually wants. Men deserve relaxation too, but many feel awkward buying spa products for themselves. That's what makes this the perfect gift. It gives permission to unwind. Complete home spa. Experience. The Cedar and Bergamot scented collection includes shower gel, shampoo, body lotion, bath salts, bath bomb, body oil, scented candle, and a portable PU leather travel bag. Everything arrives in a distinctive bathtub-shaped basket that requires no additional wrapping. The benefits he'll feel. These birthday gifts for men prioritize skin health with moisturizing shea butter and nourishing essential oils suitable for all skin types. The rich, earthy fragrance feels masculine without being overwhelming. After long work days or stressful weeks, this comprehensive set provides the tools for genuine relaxation. The travel-size bag means he can maintain his routine on business trips or vacations. Number 3. Cullen's Grilling Accessories for the Backyard Master. If he lights up when talking about his latest grilling experiment, these professional-grade tools will become his most prized possessions. Complete BBQ arsenal. This 21-piece set includes everything serious grillers need. Heavy-duty stainless steel spatula, tongs, fork, knife, basting brush, grill brush with extra head, skewers, corn holders, and a 4-pocket apron. The portable aluminum case keeps everything organized and protected. Why it's essential: cheap grilling tools rust, crack, and fail mid-cookout. These heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe stainless steel implements last for years, while the thoughtful design, like customized hanging loops, shows you respect his craft. These gifts for men birthday barbecues work equally well for camping trips or tailgating. For dads who take pride in their grilling, this transforms ordinary meals into culinary experiences. Number 2. Sovyime Birthday Gift Box. The ultimate unboxing experience. Some men seem impossible to shop for because they already have everything. The Sovyime Birthday Gift Box solves this dilemma by creating an experience rather than adding another gadget to the collection. Why he'll love it. This curated 8-piece set includes a 15-doozy inspirational mug, peppermint-scented soy candle that burns for 25 hours, bamboo charcoal handmade soap, shaving cream, beard brush, leather card holder, and birthday card. All elegantly packaged in a modern gift box. The real value. These birthday gifts for men who want nothing address self-care without feeling forced. The natural ingredients suit sensitive skin, while the cohesive theme shows genuine thought went into the selection. Perfect for husbands, boyfriends, dads, or co-workers, this gift basket delivers both relaxation and practical daily use items. The presentation alone creates an unforgettable moment. Number 1 buys Tesla wood phone, docking station. Organization meets elegance. Every man faces the same nightly ritual, emptying pockets, hunting for charger cables, and wondering where his keys disappeared. The Tesla wood phone docking station eliminates this chaos with sophisticated simplicity. Why he needs it. This solid wood organizer creates a dedicated home for phones, watches, wallets, keys, and glasses. No more frantic morning searches or cluttered nightstands. The bourbon brown finish adds warmth to any space, whether he prefers modern minimalism or classic decor. The benefits. Compatible with all smartphones from iPhone 6 through iPhone 17 and Samsung Galaxy models. This multifunctional charging station keeps everything accessible. The natural wood construction with non-toxic finishing ensures durability, while the easy assembly means he'll use it immediately. As gifts for men birthday occasions, it combines practicality with artisan craftsmanship that elevates his personal space.